Hi, my name's Darrin DeSilva with Realty One Group Zoom, and I'm here today to tell you exactly what Mello Roos are. You know that sinking feeling you get inside whenever you hear the word brought up, Mello Roos, and you have absolutely no idea what it is? Well, today we're going to go over exactly what it is and how it can affect your decision to buy a home. Take a look. So what are Mello Roos? Well, Mello Roos are a special tax that's typically put on newer developments to pay for things like parks and schools and fire departments and the police station and the gutters and everything that a community needs in order to live, at least in America. And basically the tax, where the money comes from is the district is basically financing this money from the government. And they put the tax on all the homeowners because all the homeowners are the ones benefiting from all these new things like parks and schools, and it's just going to help with the property value. So what they do is they're financing, and these taxes are basically them financing, paying for the interest and principal on these bonds that the district has gotten for the initial sum of the initial money in order to pay for all these things. So that's what Mello Roos are. Now let's dive in a little bit deeper. Okay, so how much do you have to pay? Well, the Mello Roos tax is not based on the property value. Just like if you went to go sell your home, your property taxes are going to be on the sales price. They are based on the land value of your home. Now, yes, it does increase a little bit every year, but land value doesn't increase as much as property value does. So that's the good news. And there's also a set amount that they come up with at the beginning when they set this Mello Roos tax that it will not go over. So no matter what, whether it's 10, 20 years, it will never go over that maximum amount. So that leads me to my next question. How long does it last? How long do these taxes last? Well, average about 20 years, 20 to 25 years. It depends on the development. But again, it's for the growth of that community. And all of it is to benefit your property value. Now, the only downside to this is that it is a substantial amount. It's an extra $200-300 a month. So when you're looking in communities like that, and they are typically newer developments, new construction, anything built within the last 10, 15 years, you could probably assume that it may have a Mello Roos tax, or at least there's a good chance. So I would definitely look into that. But that could potentially put you over your budget because it could be $200-300 a month. So that's something to consider with the Mello Roos tax, because you could go into another community that maybe it's a little bit older, but it's a well-known neighborhood. It's a very nice, clean neighborhood as well, and you may just save yourself a couple $100 just from not going in that new neighborhood. I mean, we all like new, but sometimes you can find really nice neighborhoods and really nice communities that are already established and save yourself a few bucks. So there's a lot of pros and cons to everything, but Mello Roos is just basically a tax on the property owners that pays for all the things like schools and parks and all the things we use on a day-to-day basis. So I hope this was informative for you. I hope it gave you a better understanding of what Mello Roos are. And now when you hear the word Mello Roos, you don't have to cringe up because you can now know exactly what you're talking about. So I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and if you ever need any information about real estate, or if there's any questions, please feel free to reach out. I am never too busy for your referrals. I'll leave my contact information below, and you guys have a great day.